Welcome back to my channel. This is the 4th Civic EF9 from Inno64. It is a Malaysia special edition. If you miss out my review for the Hong Kong edition as well as the regular version for the previous 3, the link are down below. But for today, instead of reviewing the same casting in different color variation over again, I shall do a comparison between this Inno64 with the TLV as well as Tarmac works. For now, let's free the EF9 out from the case. The water slide decal designs is similar to the rest. Alright, the Inno64 is now free from the case. It's on my left, whereas the Tarmac is on my right. In 1:64 standard, the scale and proportion between these two makers are very close and very consistent. Unlike the previous Hong Kong edition EF9, this Malaysian edition can roast quite well. For Tarmac works, the wheels can't roast at all, which is a disappointment. Unlike Inno64, which has none, the decal prints on Tarmac is very sharp as well. Inno64 wants the consumer to DIY the water slide decal. Is this a smart move? Personally, I will wish both of them will come with tempo printing instead of water slide decal. The Tarmac EG6 comes with a roll cage, whereas for the Inno EF9 is a 4-seater. For the front is quite detailed for both makers, but there is a car plate for Inno64, whereas there's none for Tarmac. The Tarmac carbon printing on the hood is much more visible than Inno64, and I like for the fact that the finishing is matte, as compared with Inno64 that is all gloss. The plus point is, both casting comes with wiper, which is a bonus. Of course, there are pros and cons between the two casting, but before that, let's compare the Inno64 with the TLV EK9 casting. For the front, the TLV has a printed car plate, whereas for the Inno64 has none. What I like most is the Honda logo is very visible and sharp on the TLV, whereas for Inno64 it seems to be appear under the wrap of the carbon. Both headlights come in another unit, and the panel lining is very visible on the Inno64 as well as the TLV, but not on the Tarmac, which has none. Inno64 has mirror finishing on the side mirror. TLV has none, which is a big disappointment as compared with Tarmac as well. Between the Inno64 and TLV, of course they have pros and cons. In terms of details and proportion, overall they are quite well made. That sums up my review for the 3 different breeds of Civics done by 3 different makers. Which casting stands out for you and which one is your favorite? Do leave a comment below. Thank you everyone and see you soon.